Okay, the first thing you got to do is remove the end caps, the bottom bar end caps. You got Phillip head flat heads there. You'll remove that completely off. And then we'll move over to the other side and you'll do the same thing again. And then once you have the two end caps removed, slide the tube off. You can slide to the right on the tube to come completely off out the other end. Okay, at this point, what you want to do is unroll the bar down all the way down till it's completely straight down. So as you can see, that's where the bar, the tubing ended right there. So now you have all this space here that you're going to use to accommodate the bar again, and roll it up as much as you need. So he'll demonstrate that now. Now we're going to reinsert the bottom bar again, and again we're working from the right side of the mesh, and you're going to get it even on both ends. Even on both ends like that. And now this is the thing that you're gonna need. You're gonna need, this is a stainless steel number 10 screw with coarse threads on it. This is what's gonna help you to be able to roll up some of this mesh back up inside the tube. So he's gonna show you how that's done. So you're gonna stick the coarse screw into there, the end of the bar, like that, and that's what's gonna grab it. And then you're gonna hold the bar in the middle, and you're gonna turn this piece up to the point that you need it. As you see, he's rolling it up kind of back up to where it was, but you are not going to do that because you don't need that much up. So once you are satisfied with the height that you have, you're gonna redo the end caps again, reinstall them. Now this side of the left side, you wanna get all the way in, right? You wanna get that all the way in. On the right side here, that way you don't have a shift in the bar on the inside going too much to one side or to the other side. This is completely on right now. And then this side is the one that's gonna tighten it back up. Make sure it's very, very tight. What you do is you hold it here in the center of the bar, nice and tight, so you can get that and torque that screw down really tight. So once that's accomplished, the little bit of creasing that you have here, you could do with your hand. And then that's así. Here's a little way of how to do it. That'll kind of take the crease out a little bit. You could do this as many times as you want. Just be careful that the selvage end here of the sewing, you do not, it's on the back side here. Just be careful you don't pop that out, and then it might ruin the selvage. You got selvage on both sides, because this is folded right here. As you can see, it's a little darker because it's folded. And that's it. And then once you got all this creased out, nice and straight, you should be good to go. So you just take it and just run your fingers like this until it's completely out. And that's it. That's all you have to do.